Here is the weather and snowpack briefing for February 27th, 2014. Here is the month-to-date precipitation for the three states, Utah, Colorado, and Wyoming through February 23rd. Focusing on the Grand Junction forecast area, much of eastern Utah and western Colorado saw lower amounts for the month. The best precipitation fell along and near the Continental Divide of western Colorado. So how has the recent precipitation impacted the snowpack? Here is the Colorado snow water equivalent updated as of Thursday, February 27th. The northern sections continue to show large surpluses, while some of the southern river basins are still showing deficits for this time of year. In eastern Utah, deficits in the snowpack continue, approximately 10% below average across the north and approximately 30% below average across the south. So what is in store for the next several days? This map shows the quantitative precipitation forecast through next Tuesday, March 4th. Widespread precipitation is expected over the region, with several inches of precipitation expected in some mountain locations, including basins which are currently below average for this time of year. The first storm currently over Utah will impact the area through tonight. The next system over the Pacific Ocean will impact our forecast area over the weekend. Here is a snowfall forecast through Sunday. The pink shading shows areas where over a foot of snowfall is possible through Sunday. Some favored southwest-facing slopes may see snow accumulations over 2 feet by the end of the weekend. Snow levels will be near 7,500 feet and drop slowly on Saturday. As a result, we have a winter weather advisory for snowing, blowing snow through tonight for up to 5 to 10 inches of snow accumulations in areas shaded in blue. We also have a winter storm watch for the higher elevations starting later Friday and continuing into the weekend. So in summary, we'll have 2 storm systems through the weekend. The first one will occur tonight with 5 to 10 inches of snow accumulation over the mountain locations is expected. The second will occur Friday night into Sunday. There's a possibility of over a foot of snowfall in mountain locations, with up to 2 feet possible in some favored locations. Strong gusty southwest winds will also occur Friday through Saturday, and the snow level will be near 7,500 feet on Friday night, especially over the southern half of the area, and dropping on Saturday. That concludes the weather and snowpack briefing for February 27, 2014. For additional weather information and the latest forecasts and highlights with these winter storms, go to www.weather.gov/GJT.